There are aspects of my personality that I can't control.
See a shrink?
It's a little bit more complicated than that.
Bruce, trust me when I tell you, I've heard them all.
Not this one.
پیاوێک کە ئەیەوێت هەمیشە ئارام بێت.
We've never seen anything even close to your levels of exposure. That you survived an event like that. It's beyond my comprehension.
هەوڵێکی زۆر بۆ گەرانەوەی شێوەی بۆ دۆخێکی ئاسایی.
Get rid of it.
As far as I'm concerned, that man's whole body is property of the U.S. Army.
They want it as a weapon. If we let it go, we will never get it back.
What the hell was that?
There's only one thing that can fight that. It's in me. I can use it.
چیرۆکێکی جیاواز کە پڕە لە رووداوی سەیر و سەمەرە.